Today I'm working on the Nissan Versa. We're going to be doing a cabin air filter. This works on vehicles from 2019 up to 2024. So we're going to jump here on the passenger side. I did put a little blanket because you're going to be down here for a minute. We're going to jump underneath here, and what we have to do is remove this guy here. And this white door is the door for the cabin air filter right there. So we got to start off, grab underneath here, pull. It feels like you're braking, but these are snaps. I'm going to work my way from here all the way around. I'm going to pop here, just gently tug, and then there's one more snap back here. I'm just going to pull. There we go. And you can see what these snaps are. They're just little pressure fittings. Just as you're going around, pop one at a time and grab all the edges. You can see where they are. You got one here, here, and here. So just work your way around, and then you got two back here. So that pops off. So once you get under here, there is a tab right here. Pull that. You have to unclip it like that. And then there's another tab below that. Next, there's a tab right here. You have to push this up like this. And it takes a fair bit of force. So once you press that up, then our door comes out. And the filter is right in here. Just to give you some reference, you have to really get up under there. And as you're pulling this out, you kind of have to pull the top, bottom, to get this to come all the way out. And we got it out. And there's the part number for the stock one if you want to pause the video. I'll also put a link in the description for one of these guys so you can see what that is. Then you can throw your filter back in there and boom. The top one snaps into place, and then line this bottom one up, snap that into place, and then we'll put our panel back on. So I've got us lined up. We're here, boom, boom, push firm, get the snap back here, and that's it. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.